Hey, it's Steven. Welcome to Oak Haven Homestead, where we are about to expand our chicken coop. So first we had to remove the nesting boxes off of our, what we call our separation pen under the coop to make room for the expansion project. And what we plan to do here is to turn that into a grow out pen. So as it would be, I bought just enough 2x6s to do the bottom floor joists, and I had planned to do the 8-foot runners the length of the floor, but unfortunately when I was cutting one of the 2x8s to cut it in half for the 4 feet, for some reason I stacked two on there. So I had to improvise a little bit here with the structure for the floor joist. This wasn't my original plan, but nonetheless, we made it work. So we 2x6s for the floor joist, and then we used 3/4 inch treated plywood for the floor base. And then of course we are working on setting us up here on some concrete pads, working to get it level. Not fully in position yet, but this gives us kind of an idea of where I can move it east and west a little bit, or north and south, depending on which way I need to do to square it up to the other coop in preparation for finalizing this project. So it's pretty cool. It went a little bit faster than I expected putting all that together. As you can tell, I am moving pretty quick here. Alright, so we got the floor of the coop down. For this particular one, we're just going to be mating it up to the one we currently have. So what we're going to end up doing here is we're going to continue this siding down here to close this off on this side over here, and then we'll push the floor base up against that corner over there to seal that off, and then we'll start erecting walls. So we wanted to close that side of the wall off there without having to build another wall separate and kind of join them together. It saves us a little bit of money and some time and the labor, but we're trying to utilize all the resources the best way possible. All right, so we have the floor set. I've got the continuation of the wall here for the inside of what the coop will be, and now we're going to move to framing up the walls. My help's not much help. They're just fussing at me. Gotta love them chickens. Alright, so here's the framework completed on our expansion of the coop. Here, it's the back wall. I'll have 3 nesting boxes. I guess still got a frame out here. And then my wife's doorway on this side. She wanted to walk in coop. Our other coop, you can't really walk into it. It's up off the ground. It's not really that difficult to clean, but she wanted something we could walk in here when we expanded this out. Of course, this will be the front side where we'll have a automatic coop door that goes in there, and then of course
we'll have an 80 by 20 run extension on this side that separates those chickens from this group of chickens here. So I think we're gonna wind up going with ISA Browns to increase our egg laying. So this is the framing portion of our chicken coop, and we thank you guys for tuning in, for watching our video here, and stay tuned for more as we expand our coop.